The AI character method allows you to easily program a character with background information and use it in your room. This function makes the thing behave like a basic AI character. For more advanced use cases, you will want to look at using aiChat and aiChat, as those allow for higher levels of fine-tuning. But aiCharacter will get most people up and running much faster. Let's look at some sample code. Here in the room, we have a character. And when we go into edit mode and we click on the character and click on the code editor, we can see that we don't have any code in here right now, and we will start from scratch. The first thing that we need to do is set up a primer. And a primer is a variable that holds text that provides instructions to the AI about who this character is and any personality traits. If it is omitted, a default prompt will be used based on the thing's name. So in this scenario, we have a bowler, and we will add a few attributes to the primer. So we'll set up a local variable, and we'll call it primer. You can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to use the appropriate name here. And then we need to add some content. And so these are all in the form of sentences. So let's populate a few things in here. So at this particular point, I have my primer, and the next thing that we can do is add the onClick function, which is what will be the event trigger for starting the conversation with the AI character. So we're going to say function onClick, and then we are going to add in our method, which is aiCharacter. And then we can see that we have the primer and then the user text. And then the only thing we actually have to pass in here is the primer. And then whenever we click on the AI character, it will take into account the primer and respond to our inquiry. And so let's take a look at how it works live. So now when we click on Bruno, we can see that there is a prompt box that comes up, and I'm going to ask him a question about bowling. How many pins are there at the start of a turn? And we can see that bowler Bruno responds appropriately, that there are 10 pins at the start of a turn. Let's ask him a little bit more of a complicated question. What is a spare? And we can see that the AI character responds appropriately. So even with that limited detail within the primer, you can see that our AI character has a robust set of information about the role or personality that you have given to it.